traffic from the left just joining from the motorway. Those two vans were fine, they didn't make me slow down at all. This red one on the left just needs to wait for me. Didn't look like he wanted to. No, he's actually pulled in right behind the car that was right in front of the car that was behind me. Anyway, right, now there's a bus lane coming up here which you can drive in. The sign said Monday to Friday. Today is Thursday, but it only says between the hours of 7 till 10 AM and 4 till 7 PM is in an active bus lane. So if you notice there, I've got a white van just parked in it, which is not really very helpful. Just waiting for the red one to get past me. Centre right mirror just moving out slightly, and then centre left, yeah, there it is. So I can just pull back in. So again, to reiterate, this is a fully legal bus lane that you can drive in at this time. The time is basically just close to 12:30 in the afternoon, so it's definitely something I'm okay to drive.